and China and Somalia enjoy long friendship. So since after break, China has been very concerned about Somali situation, and the Somali government has taken active measures to prevent and control epidemic and establishing up inspection and quarantine. Yeah, we believe that Somalia will not be affected as long as it is done in accordance with regulation and the requirement of WHO. So China will trust its best to help Somalia in terms of prevention and control of epidemic. China has shared relevant prevention and control information with Somalia, with Somali Ministry of Health and Social Affairs. Right. At the same time, China has been in cooperation with Somalia to implement humanitarian assistance to Somalia. So a few days before, last week, I signed a letter of change with His Excellency Minister of Humanitarian Management in Somalia, Mr. Hamza. Yeah, Mr. Hamza. Yeah. So we have a change later. Chinese side will provide humanitarian assistance to Somalia. So we will continue to support peaceful development of Somalia, and will not affected by epidemic. At the same time, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Somalia on its great achievement in debt relief, which will benefit Somali people and benefit region peace and development. And also, second question, you mentioned Somali students in Hubei and Wuhan. Foreigners, including foreign students, China and China nations. So since after break of epidemic, so Chinese governments at all level have established emergency mechanism, and so they have issued about information of preventing and control in fighting epidemic to students, to foreigners in China, and also Hubei province and Wuhan municipality governments have provided materials for preventing and control epidemic freely. Such as on you can see masks and gloves and another preventing materials to to students studying in China, including Somali students. So Chinese embassy here has established mechanism to contact with Somali students in Wuhan. So Chinese embassy has provided information of preventing epidemic, and so Chinese embassy has provided materials and documents to Somali students in Wuhan. So recently, maybe you can see there's one video from Wuhan Somali students, Mr. Omar. He display to give Wuhan, China. Come on, Wuhan! Come on, China! Cheer for China! Cheer for Wuhan! China will finally win in fighting epidemic. So please.